Good morning. Another day. I'm here again. Today I arrived a bit late. This is 11 a.m. The reason of it is our emergent works are already done. So the rest of the work is that we can work on it slowly and whenever we want. Today I will be doing the wiring. I will try to complete that because wiring is important. As I told you before, there are pigs around here. Pigs come dig right under the trees in search of some worms, I guess, and that causes trouble for both seedlings and trees. I gotta make sure I have done the wirings. Do you remember this place? I'm back again. And I gotta repair the last part here, and then I will make sure this part is okay, this part is done. Then I may go on till that eucalyptus tree. This piece of wire need to be combined with the other two pieces of wires. This is, in theory, an easy job. Actually, I must admit, this whole garden thing is theoretically so easy, but in practical terms, it gets complicated. And someone like me who never experienced something like that, it is getting even worse sometimes, but I'm getting used to it, I guess. Have you seen my life, Mr. Jones? Do you know what it's like on the outside? Don't go talking too loud, you cause landslide. Mr. Jones, if ever you got training on, someone has hurt you. Am I unwise to open up your eyes to love? Run to me whenever you're lonely. Run. I guess it looks good. Don't miss the purpose of this wire. The purpose of this wiring is to prevent our garden from pigs. Gladly saying this is done. I don't see any possible place that a pig can come from this part of the garden. Let's go and wire the other parts. I need to go on with the car because in the back side of this car there are things that are heavy. I'm looking forward to save my car from all these nasty stuff. As soon as I've done that, I will go to a car wash. Now I will set up the poles. The one pole will be set it up to 3 steps far away from the other pole, and 3 steps is like I'm pretending as 1 step of me is 1 meters. Approximately 3 meters will be between these 2 poles. So let's step on it. 1, 2, 3. Here. As you can see, it's approximately 3 meters I'm expecting, and I will go like that till there, as I told you. I'm just moving on. I came here for lunch. Water looks so beautiful, so clean today. Isn't it so beautiful? In the forward, there is a hydroelectrical plant. Because of that, the water gets clean someday. Sometimes I see lots of fish inside of it. Sometimes I see none. Of course, this might be the plantation's effect. This is where we eat. Isn't it so beautiful? By the way, I want to show you something. The field that is right across to the river belongs to some brothers, and as far as I know, those brothers can get along with each other so well, and I hope they may sell that field as well. And when they sell it, someone I know, someone we know, some of my friends, some of my family members can buy that field so that we can build a bridge. It will be so cool when we do that. This is 28th or 27th, I'm not sure, of December. Can you see how hot the weather is? I really mean that I can swim inside of it right now if I had my swimsuits on, because it's so hot. Believe me, it's so hot. Hey, I just remembered my camera has a waterproof body, so why don't we just try to take a shot inside of the water? Let's see what will happen. Here we go. I must watch my steps. I must. Are you ready? Oh, okay. I had my lunch. I'm eating so much. In every portion, I'm eating a lot more than other people. Just want to show you the upper view of the garden with all the shadowings. As you can see, it's quite looking promising. I remember its old view. It was like looking anything like a garden. It will get better in every year. I hope we will not lose any of those trees. We were in the wiring process right before the lunch. I set up the poles, enough of them I guess, to bring the new wire here. So let's move on. I will just set the camera to somewhere as a time lapse. You will watch a time lapse. It's better, it's shorter, to the point, and you will see the process as well. Fair enough.